left Lancaster a few hours ago, and we are on our way to New Hampshire. New Hampshire, right?
Yeah.
Why are we on our way to New Hampshire, you may ask? Well, we're getting an RV. Oh, Eli, are you getting a new RV? That's so awesome. Well, no, I am not getting a new RV. But this guy here, my brother-in-law Joe, who you have seen in so many videos, is getting a new RV, new to him RV. And we are on our way to pick it up. And we are going to, next weekend, give his kids a surprise. And we're really excited. How long is the drive now?
7.5 hours.
Are you a little nervous about this RV?
I am a little nervous about this RV. It is a big upgrade from what we have now. So I'm a little nervous at the cost. It cost more than what we're driving in. So
that's crazy. Because for those that don't know, you have been driving. You have been camping on the little teardrop that you made, right?
Yep, we've been using the little white teardrop. Not often. We take a trip every couple months. The kids enjoy it, but it definitely does not have the amenities, and they are quickly growing out of it.
Yeah.
They grew out of it before it was done, really. So this will be quite a big upgrade for them. The bunk room in this thing is bigger than our teardrop. So I'm excited for them to see it.
Which, by the way, you're gonna have a bigger RV than me. I hate you.
that it's created some hostility in the family. So we'll see how that goes. We might have to shave a couple feet off of it to satisfy Eli, but
so I'm not that jealous. So, ladies and gents, this is gonna be my opportunity to hopefully convince Fawn to let me get at least a new truck, right? Maybe not a new RV, but at least a new truck. So we are about to pull into the campground where the camper is. This is the part where we either get the camper or we get killed
they get stabbed
somewhere here in the woods of New Hampshire.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, so if we don't come back, that's where we're gonna be resting.
Yeah, it looks to be. Well, I got a left and a right here. There he is.
Oh boy.
He looks like a murderer.
Yeah, standing there in the middle of the road. This is pretty creepy. Suddenly it got really dark in here. They're right next to the water. And there it is.
Here's your truck.
Alright. I'll probably catch up with you a little later.
A few moments later.
Well, here comes the proud owner. Let's turn that music off. But whoa, how do you feel?
It's pretty big.
You wanna give me a quick little
I
tour?
feel pretty good. Yeah, let's see if we can remember everything they just said.
This is the big kitchen, island, dinette, huge TV.
Yeah, that's a nice plus. So we have the
Double bunk beds for the kids on both
bunk
sides.
room. Yeah, we got a flip up loft, fold out futon. Master.
Here's where the magic's.
That's some storage in
Nice.
there.
I like this little thing. You can access your pass-through storage through this little
Yeah,
door.
we got a free volleyball.
Yeah. And
There's a
then
mosquito.
bathroom connects to the. She looks in pretty good shape, man.
Yeah, I mean a few cosmetics, but that's to be expected. Let's see if I can fit into this shower. Barely.
Nah, it's taller than ours. We are already jealous. You have 3 TVs, so one here,
4. There's one outside.
Oh, 4 TVs. One bigger one here in the living room, and then another small TV in the kids' living room. Oh, let's show them the outside kitchen.
Do you want me to put it down first? You can open it up. Oh, you already have it. Oh.
Ah, it's already open.
Oh no, wait, there's one. There isn't one out here.
Well, there will be soon.
There will be. I thought he said there was. Oh, maybe the kids one they had out here.
Yeah, so this is the outdoors kitchen. 3 slides. They put these outdoor speakers up there. They sound really, really good. So you have a stove and the refrigerator. It's pretty dark.
Yeah, we'll have to get some better shots.
Yeah, in the morning. I guess we are going to enjoy the fire a little bit. And
Yeah, I'm good.
I'll
Let's
see you in the morning.
pull down here and crack one.
Well, good morning, everybody. I can tell that we are up north because it's quite chilly out this morning. It doesn't get this cold down in Pennsylvania. We made it. We got the trailer. This is a beauty. And it's in pretty much perfect shape. Like it a lot. Joel is incredibly happy. This morning we are going to get her ready for the trip and take her back to Pennsylvania. This campground is quite nice and beautiful. I don't remember the name right now. I'm gonna put it down here, but it's really quiet, peaceful campground. They have a pretty big open field in the front, and then this shaded area back here. Lots of sites, lots of space in between sites, and right behind you, behind the camera, is a beautiful river. So really nice place. I heard that you're really upset about this outdoors kitchen.
Oh, this is awful.
Yeah.
There's no room for anything. No space.
Cooking outside to entertain people.
We're just gonna keep it closed.
Kind of pathetic, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna keep it closed, not use it. Oh, we need to move the box.
And then chalk the... All right, let's see.
See if it moves.
Hold it, hold it. I'm just kidding. All right, let's do it. A little trick that I have learned for backing the trailer in a straight line is like makes it so easy. You define the side where you're getting too close as the problem. So if you're getting too close to this side, you steer your wheel towards the problem.
Okay.
And it's gonna align. So if you're getting too close on this side, you steer the wheel towards that side. Mm-hmm. If you're getting too close to the other side, you steer your wheel towards that side. And then that's it. You probably know this because you have been towing before. But
Lightning
for
McQueen, you got to turn left to go right.
Exactly. All right.
I'll straighten it out.
Exactly the problem.
Yeah, I'm going that way.
No, go towards the problem. Exactly.
I like that.
It makes it pretty easy.
It's easy, yeah, it's easy and short. You don't have to think right, left, right.
Yeah.
Left, just towards the problem.
what do you want to say? What do you want to tell your kids?
Well, I want to tell them, I hope they appreciate how much work goes into the camping life. There's a lot they don't see behind the scenes, and I need to go to the bathroom again. We just went. We got 400 miles to get home, so we'll get there.
This is gorgeous here. Wow. Look at that view down there.
Wow, that is nice.
Oh, what highway is that down there?
Probably 81. Probably
This is beautiful. Look at all these flowers. Wow. Well, let's see how Joel is going to do backing in his trailer for the first time. Will we be making fun of him, or is he going to nail it and surprise us? Hey everybody, so we just pulled into the campground and suddenly this beautiful lady,
Beverly Cole. Beverly.
Beverly says, hey, I know
Hey,
your
Fawn!
face.
Oh, I watch you guys all the time. I'm so proud of you too. You're just such an inspiration to me.
Yeah, and get this, babe, we are taking the site that they're leaving behind, and that's where we're gonna be camping this weekend.
Yeah, we're going back to
Here's
Florida.
her husband.
It's a really nice campground. Oh my God!
This beautiful piece of art was gifted to us by Beverly and George, and it's gonna go in our RV. Isn't this amazing? Thank you so much, guys, for making our day.
Pleasure. Oh my God.
So-
Thank you so much for
You made our
showing,
summer.
stopping by here.
And guys, get this. What are the odds that they're leaving this site in a couple of days, and in this very same spot is where we're going to be camping? It's kind of like meant to be.
Awesome.
Wow.
Straighten it up, yeah? Perfect. Perfect. Keep going. So we are done dropping the trailer. We'll be back this weekend in about 4 days, all right?